I've been reviewing OnePay throughout 2025, and while it brings a solid lineup of features for travelers, there are a few things to weigh before calling it the best global payment app out there. OnePay positions itself as an all-in-one financial app, offering checking and savings accounts, international transfers, debit card rewards, and budget management. For frequent travelers, one of the standout features is the ability to send money to over 170 countries. That's a big plus if you move between regions often or need to send funds abroad quickly and securely. It also includes perks like early access to direct deposits, up to $200 in free overdraft protection, and a high-yield savings account that offers up to 3.75% APY if you meet certain criteria. Those include maintaining a $5,000 balance or receiving at least $500 in direct deposits each month. The ability to create multiple budgeting sub-accounts is another useful feature, especially if you're managing travel expenses across currencies or categories. That said, OnePay isn't without its issues. While it has solid app ratings on mobile platforms, its customer service record has been less consistent. Some users report frozen accounts, delayed responses, and challenges when trying to resolve technical problems. Additionally, many of the app's best features, like ATM fee waivers and transaction rewards, are only available if you meet those specific direct deposit thresholds. If you're a digital-savvy traveler looking for a global payments app that blends banking, budgeting, and rewards in one place, OnePay could be a great option. But you'll want to make sure you qualify for the higher-tier benefits and be mindful of customer service limitations. If this review helped you figure out whether OnePay fits your travel and finance needs, make sure to like the video, share it with someone comparing payment apps, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.